Hello everyone, welcome to Website Builders. In today's video, we will see all the best themes for WordPress website. The first theme we recommend you to download is Astra theme because it is fast, fully customizable and suitable for blogs, business and e-commerce website. It needs less than 50 KB of resources, whereas most of the other WordPress themes require at least 300 KBs. With default WordPress data, Astra loads in less than a half second. It is built for speed and fully optimized for performance. Before moving forward, if you want to know how to install theme on WordPress, click on I button. Our second recommended theme is Ocean WP. And the reason behind is that Ocean WP is a perfect theme because it is lightweight and highly extendable. It will enable you to create almost any type of website such as blog, portfolio, business website and WooCommerce storefront. It is beautiful and professional designed website. Very fast and third theme is Hestia, which is a modern WordPress theme for professionals. It fits creative businesses, small businesses like restaurants, wedding planners, sports, medical shops, startups, corporate businesses, online agencies and firms. Moving towards our fourth theme, which is Neve. It is a super fast, easy customizable, multi-purpose theme. It's perfect for blogs, small businesses, startups, agencies, firms, e-commerce shops. A fully AMP optimized and responsive theme. Neve will load in mere seconds and adapt perfectly on any viewing device. While it is a lightweight and has a minimalistic design, the theme is highly extendable. It has a highly SEO optimized code resulting in top ranking in Google search results. And the last one is really simple. It is a theme for bloggers and writers who need a ultra light and fast theme. The theme focuses on simplicity and loading speed. Yes, really simple theme is also fully AMP compatible. Check the readme.txt file and leave the sidebar perfect after WordPress 5.5 update. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like the channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.